areas. On that's parts of northeastern Barron, southwestern Greene, southern Hart, and southwestern Metcalfe counties in Kentucky. That tornado warning until 3:15 Central Time, 4:15 Eastern. This is indicated by Doppler radar. A tornado that was near Cave City, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Around Rowletts, Heistville here in the next few minutes, Uno and Hardyville, Three Springs and Center, Monroe, and even in toward Pierce over the next few minutes. Now, Edmonson County is the county just immediately that is to the west of Hart County. And I want to show you right about there is a town that's kind of northeast of Bowling Green in Edmonson County called Huff. There was a report of a brief tornado touchdown there.
Carol Costello, Washington.
And that's an early look at business news. We'll have more tonight on Fox News at 10. Elizabeth?
All right, thanks, David. Paul is here now to give us an update on the watches and warnings.
That's right. Still a watch continues for a severe thunderstorm watch for some areas until 6, some areas until 9. You see that information on your screen. Some areas mostly south and east of Louisville till 9 o'clock tonight. That watch may get canceled a bit early, too. Some counties to the west of Louisville and even Jefferson County have been cleared or removed from the watch, meaning that the risk for active and severe weather has greatly diminished. Right now, though, not the case. Hart, Greene, Taylor, and Adair County, a severe thunderstorm warning for those counties, that being Hart, Greene, Taylor, and Adair. That's a pretty stormy spot. Now, we are not alone when it comes to stormy weather. Looking specifically, it's anywhere just to the east of Nashville. Some of the spots there east along, we're along parts of 24 and 40, you're probably getting some stormy weather, too. Mostly east of Nashville and a bit south of Nashville. That line extends all the way up to Munfordville. So, yeah, some storms continue to fire up for us just a little bit longer. Expect to see our storms on the move. Okay, here's the deal. They've been moving at a pretty rapid pace east at around 45 miles an hour. That means they cover a lot of ground in a very short period of time. One of the big problems with this storm line has been a whole lot of lightning, meaning a whole lot of rain around the city of Huff and Edmonson County. And Edmonson County is just on the other side of Hart County, one county away. Reports of a touchdown of a tornado. That's why there was such a concern. And the tornado warnings that were in effect just a little while ago, no longer in effect. But making its exit from Hart County into Greene County, that's where these storms are moving. Even eventually, say, Campbellsville, you're going to have to think about the stormy spots here, as well as into Adair County, around Columbia, for example, stormy spots. A little further north around Louisville, some western sections of Jefferson County are now getting into the rainfall. More rain popping up into Spencer County and Bullock County, too. So we've got a few storms, but the greatest severe weather concerns are still across parts of south central Kentucky and just kind of on the close yard of the Tennessee line, the stormier it's going to be here in the short term. A lot of lightning around, too. Anytime you see lightning, you often see hefty rain. And indeed, that has been the case with this line of storms. The good news is, once this line of storms passes, we're still going to have the chance of a few areas of lingering rain, but our storm threat and our severe weather concerns will greatly diminish once this line pushes on through for the day. So good news. Still some steam around us right now. 81 degrees the current temperature. Notice a little bit of a wind and a whole lot of moisture. A dew point of 72, that is air you can wear. We're talking about a whole lot of steam in the air, and that's the fuel that these storms feed on, and that's what causes all the stormy weather to pop up. Mostly cloudy skies and 71 with a chance of a smattering of showers and storms a little bit longer tonight. That won't linger much longer. Our storm threat will diminish once this line of storms moves on through, so that's good news. Tomorrow, though, a mix of clouds and sun, a partly sunny day. Some of the sun will peek through, maybe a little bit more than we saw today. A 30% chance of a few scattered showers and storms. Still could see active weather tomorrow as well. You think 90s hot? Hang on. We'll talk more about some days that make that one look cool by comparison in the 7-day outlook on the way.
All right. Thanks.
See how that rain is affecting the drive home this afternoon. Let's go to Skyfox traffic and Mike Marshall. Hi, Mike.
All right, Dave.